Hi, I'm Serhiy, based in Lincoln, Nebraska, where I fix electronics. English isn't my native language, so I used AI to translate and voice this video, but the expertise inside is 100% real. Check it out.
Good afternoon. We have a Samsung phone being repaired today. You see a broken screen. It works fine. This is a Samsung S24 Ultra. We will change the screen. Means I'll put it on a special heated mat so that it warms up. And then we'll take it apart. Let's leave it like this for a while, so it's already warmed up enough. I'll add some alcohol, and I will use a special tool to remove the back cover. I carefully walk along the perimeter, slowly adding alcohol. The phone is hot, that's why the back cover comes off quite easily. We're disconnecting already. Then I take a screwdriver and start unscrewing all the screws, which are here. I remove the rear trim. I disconnect all battery cables. We turn everything off. The cables are removed whenever possible. I unscrew what hasn't been unscrewed yet. Remove the bottom board. I remove the motherboard with the camera unit. I take out the front camera. And now we will remove the screen itself. The screen is glued around the entire perimeter and across the entire plane. It's very difficult to remove. Peels off in layers. Well, here it's already broken anyway. The main thing is to remove it. I covered the screen itself with tape so that it doesn't fall apart into pieces. And now with the help of alcohol and a special tool, I'm walking around the perimeter to take it off. It has delaminated. The second layer remained glued. It needs to be further processed to remove it. The screen is very thin. He's already filmed. Now we clean up the area under the screen for later. Glue the new screen with fresh glue. I'm removing the remains of old tape. While the case itself is hot, it can be done very easily. So the new screen arrived. I compare it with the old one. Before gluing it, it would be nice to connect it and check it that it is a worker. To do this, you need to reassemble the entire phone. We install a new screen without gluing it. And we assemble the phone. To check, how does it work? Main motherboard. I'm installing the bottom board. For charging, I'm installing cables. I'm not screwing anything on yet. I just collected it so that it could be turned on and checked. Screen performance. Well, let's try turning on the phone. Let's add charging. So the phone turned on. There is an image. Well, at least the screen shows. Now it means it can be done. Glue firmly. And collect completely. I remove all the boards from the phone. I'm taking everything apart to get ready to glue the new screen. I clean the seat with alcohol. I'm applying new glue. And I glue the new screen into its rightful place. Well, after that, I'm thoroughly assembling the phone. I install all the boards. I screw all the screws into the board. I'm installing all the cables. In general, the phone is fully assembled. The main thing at this point is not to forget anything. Don't miss anything. Screw all the screws back into place so that everything works as it should. If there is not a single screw left, this means the assembly was correct. Now I'm applying glue to the back cover. I'm gluing the back cover. And I check the back cover again. I fix it with special clothespins. And check that the screen is working. Everything worked out. Everything is ready. Let's like it. Subscribe.